Well, when it comes to techniques or systems or little mystery gossip tips, like, hey man, what's the secret to signing people up in Live Good? I mean, Cory, you're on the leaderboard. You're number 27 out of 1.7 million. What are you doing? Okay, are you buying leads? All right, do you have some type of, 10-year history where, some gurus get together and all we do is just promote one opportunity for 3 to 6 months and then say, ready, switch, tap in, kind of like professional wrestling where they kind of tag in and wrestle each other. Do all of us gurus, do we do that? Well, I don't know because I'm definitely not a guru. I like ragu in a can, but yeah, no one's ever accused me of being a guru. All right, maybe smart ass, smarty pants. Maybe I could be called a know-it-all or a butt hoe. But yeah, you call me a guru. I don't know, but I'm pretty darn good at getting signups and Live Good. Okay, and I think by keeping things nice and simple. Okay, not over analyzing. Don't get paralyzed by massive amounts of buying courses and maybe getting addicted to learning, because I'm guilty of that. I love to kind of just watch and learn, especially because everything's video based now. You just click, and if the videos, I don't know, could be 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, who knows? Most setup videos are like 10 minutes or less, but it is addicting. And then if you get into self-help or you need one of those pats on the back or, good motivational advice, just remember it is good to get you motivated, whatever it takes. But most of the time when you're listening to that motivational thing, it's not going to earn you money. Okay? Now, if you're driving on the freeway or maybe you have some headphones on, you're on a train, on a bus, all right? I do recommend, hey, listen to good advice because maybe it'll get you out of that rut where you're stuck all the time. You know you want to make more money. You know you want to change your life, but you get addicted to those self-help things. Okay? I love the phrase, I can't remember, is it Sean who owns Think Media, fail forward? I'm a big fan of that. Like if I make a video and this sucks, all right, I think I'm going to get up tomorrow and probably take a pee and have cereal. Okay. If I lose track of what I'm talking about and my webcam's on live right now, okay, I mean, I'm not going to probably fall off this flat earth. All right. Am I going to just fall into the Niagara pond at the bottom of that big old drop? Okay. I don't think so, guys. Gravity's not going to disappear and I'm going to float up, to Uranus, or maybe I'll just, cruise on over to Mars. All right. Don't worry about failing. Just get over I think embarrassment factor is what holds you up more than anything. Like you're embarrassed to not succeed. You're embarrassed to fail. You're embarrassed of maybe your voice or your eyeballs or your bald giant forehead like I have. Okay? Yeah, be embarrassed and just get over it. Okay? Because I'll tell you what, I'm a chatty person and I think you can tell. I like to talk to people that are 70 and 80 and 90 years old because I'm not far from that age. I'm a lot closer to 70 than all you guys out there that might be 30, 40, or 50. I'll tell you that. But everyone that's older, that has a sense of humor and likes to reflect on maybe their life of the last 70, 80, 90 years, they're just like, you know what? Don't worry about what other people think. And if you want to try to be somebody, try it. If you want to try to do something, do it. Okay? If you want to look a certain way, act a certain way, dress a certain way, do it. Okay? Unless, you're going to get fired or maybe it puts you in a dangerous position. But you know how America and all these other countries are, okay, when it comes down to what you can and can't do. But it's really up to you when you produce videos like I do, because I'm just in a room that I made into like a man cave. I've got refrigerators and a bunch of stuff on the walls and music, and I just love to turn on a webcam. Sometimes I use my cell phone and do like maybe little selfie things or maybe video, But I'm a big fan of doing like the 9 to 10 minute video productions because I can relax a little bit, talk to where hopefully you feel like you get to know me a little bit because people. And I've had over 400 and something people join me, and I've literally emailed or I've talked to thousands and thousands of people over the last almost 2 years in Live Good. And all the people that have joined me, they said that they feel like they know me because people join people. I am so just really firmly, I believe in that. People join people. Maybe I'll make a little shirt that says that. I get that a lot, and that's why I enjoy doing video like this. And if I am embarrassing or look funny or, I don't know, some of my videos, I don't even, I might not have any value. It's just me chatting with you guys so you can kind of get to know me a little bit. And then when I say, if you're looking at joining an opportunity that's affordable, LiveGood, it's $40 one time to be an affiliate, $10 a month after. So for $50, you can climb aboard. If you have $100, you can get 12 months for the price of 10. If you buy the products, man, you got 3 months. If you want to get your money back, even if you use up all those products, just send back the package or the container to Jupiter, Florida, the distribution center, and get your money back. No questions are asked. That is an outstanding guarantee. Okay, I tell everyone about my business cards. Yeah, I just make business cards at Vistaprint. I bought joincory.com and I forward it to the LiveGood capture page, which you have too when you join. And I let video do the recruiting and the training. I love doing video like this because it helps me get to know you and vice versa. Okay? But when it comes down to the training part and the recruiting and how we get paid and what are the products and the ingredients, it's all on the website. And most people just want to watch a video anyway, because if you don't understand something, what do? You rewind it, right? Rewind, rewind, rewind. Try saying that 10 times in a row without messing up. Okay? I recommend that if you're going to join LiveGood, I want you to join in my group. I'm going to send you a nice email and tell you everything I do, because I have other incomes that complement LiveGood. And I make a substantial amount of money, guys, by promoting LiveGood. And LiveGood is just my little baby. All right? If you guys sign up, I can make $25. Thank you. And then we'll grow together. Maybe share each other's advice or tips or tricks. I mean, somebody always has something that's kind of cool that no one's ever thought about. But with LiveGood, it's so affordable. The website's there. It's almost a household name in less than 2 years. And yeah, we turned to actually December 13th of 2024. So we're 2 years and 1 month old. So happy birthday 30 days ago. Okay, so we're 2 years old. And we got 1.7 going on 1.8 million members and affiliates. 200 countries, guys. Dang, that's awesome. Okay, we have like 30, 40, 50 products. We have 12 more new products coming out in the next 2 months. Ben just said in February and March of 2025. We're going places. Okay, if you join me, I'm going to do everything I can every day to make video and try to just show you what I do with an email system. Maybe it's a marketing this or a how to do a YouTube that. Tons of people just love the TikTok and they love Instagram where you just do short little 15, maybe 30-second videos. All right, here's my TikTok video. Hey guys, what's going up? What's going down? Do I have a 7-Up hat on? Let's get down. I mean, I could do something stupid. Say something for 10 seconds. People are like, you're weird. You're kind of creepy. And I go, well, I know. Go to joincory.com. Bye. I could do something as dumb or wacky as that. And if people click joincory.com, mission accomplished. Because at the end of the day, this domain is going to take you to a 6-minute video with our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He's going to talk about the products, the opportunity, and then you're going to say yay or nay. Either the first 5 seconds of the video, you just tune out, delete, and you're on your way. If you watch the whole video, you're probably interested, and you might just join. Okay, you might just say, screw it. All right, the 400 and something people that have joined me, almost every one of them just joins. And then they try to get a hold of me later and say, hey, how do you email? How do you do this? How do you do that? Isn't it crazy? But it's awesome, and thank you for watching my videos. I like to do them like this so that you feel like you know me. If you just came through the old video screen or your cell phone screen right now and you're just sitting with me at this big old table that I set up these computers on, we could just get ourselves a drink, talk about how to get a business card, how to get a domain name, how to properly talk about LiveGood. That's more conversational and not spammy and salesy and clingy. All right, you don't want to appear so broke and desperate. You just want people to relax and say, okay, look, there's plenty of money out there. There's plenty of money to go around, as they say. All right? There's no saturation. There's no competition. You can tell me until you're blue in the face that, oh, there's just a million people promoting this opportunity. Okay, yeah, let's say 1 million people sign up right now. Do you know how many people are going to be promoting as affiliates how I like to produce content every day? Out of those 1 million, in 30 days, do you know 999,900 probably just go, I just like the products. All right, I posted for a month and it's just a pain. I'd rather just do what I've been doing, but I love the products. Guys, I love that because that's where I come aboard. And I just go, get out the way, please, because I am an affiliate. I am a member too. Okay, because to be an affiliate, you have to be a member. So you're going to get just awesome pricing on all the Live Good products. That's just a given. And you don't even have to be a member to buy Live Good. Go to walmart.com, amazon.com, or livegood.com. You're just a customer. And that's awesome because Walmart and Amazon, they're fairly priced, just like Live Good. But if you're going to be a member, why not save money and use the products yourself and resell them if you want? But if you want to be an affiliate, just do the $40 one time. And please do what I do. Make simple cards. Don't overanalyze and talk about Live Good in person. Or even if, on the phone, someone might even want to do a phone call and all of a sudden you've got hours and hours tied up trying to recruit like it's 1970 Avon, 1980 Herbalife, 1990 Nu Skin. Guys, people just want to watch videos. It's 2025. It's almost February. All right, the first 30 days, bam, they hauled ass, didn't they? But here's my 2 pieces of advice. People join people. If you're kind of uncomfortable talking about yourself, I don't mean you have to talk about your diet and where you live and your social security number, but if you have hobbies, I love Hot Wheels, I like Legos, the band Kiss. Okay, if you don't mind letting people know a little bit about you so they're comfortable. And if you post on social media, good, do it every day so they know you're there. If you're going to send an email out, just send an email like it's a friend. Don't make it all long and boring like a lawsuit. How many emails do you get where they're so long it takes 5 minutes? You keep scrolling and it wants you to join and you can't even figure out where to even join. My email's like, what's up? This is cool. Click this. Bye. People click the link, which is this. They watch the video. And if they hate the video, they don't even watch more than 10 to 15 seconds. And if they watch the whole thing, good. They appreciate that I just invited them to watch the video. Just like people that you're going to invite will do the same. I do get emails usually once a week, sometimes as high as 4 or 5. And my gosh, they have nice words for me. Yeah. Some are like, ugh. But oh yeah, most of my emails are really positive. I get to know my downline. Yeah, maybe not on the phone, maybe not in person, but I think it's very social, this Live Good thing. Okay. I've met a lot of people, and I don't know if I'll ever meet them in person, probably not, but even my friends that live literally 10 to 15 minutes down the street, we talk more this way on a Zoom or just text or on Facebook going back and forth than in person. All right, so make it social, make it fun. Don't be scared of your downline or anybody. And if you don't like yourself or your voice, I get it. Try video. It's fun. I think you'll have a good time if you get over the curve of being kind of nervous and hating what your voice is like, okay? But just get real good at one thing, okay? And at the end of the day, I just encourage you so badly to invite someone to a link. And you can storytell a little bit, but at the end of the day, you're going to go, please go to joincory.com. All right? Please go to you.com. If your name is Herschel, join Herschel.com. Join HerschelNow.com. If your name is Herschel Walker, join HerschelWalker.com. I bought joinCoryDraper.com. I did buy joinCoryNow.com. Okay? I bought other fun ones too. ClickThenWatch.com. That's a big money maker. Same with PleaseWatchVideo.com. I bought those too. I just buy them at GoDaddy and I forward them to a video, and the video does all the recruiting, all the training, all the setup. That's all I do. Okay, so please, if you want to copy me, that's awesome. Boom, high five. A lot of times it's like, don't copy me. Don't copy my clothing choice, or I don't know, don't my shoes, don't buy the same shoes as me. But in this case, duplication's everything. And I think you'll agree. So if we can all make it kind of simple and fun, and if we have questions, we'll help each other, but realize LiveGood has its own customer support. Okay? Let them earn their money. All right? They might be waiting for your email right now, and they can answer you back. Okay? I've gotten a hold of LiveGood's customer support via email which is just support@livegood.com, by the way. Oh my God, 500 times? I have a million questions. But after they answer me, then I know what a lot of questions are going to probably pop up in my email, or maybe below this video if you're watching a YouTube video of mine, or maybe you're on Facebook and you have a question. I just like to copy and paste maybe a video I've already made with the answer I want to give you. But it comes down to the end of the day. If you don't want to do video, don't worry about it. Some of our highest paid folks in LiveGood, guys, you can't even find a video. And if it is some type of video, it's not with them doing what I'm doing. Okay, you don't have to do video to be successful in LiveGood. You just have to make content and do it every day so it's fun. Don't give up if you don't make $1 million the first hour. Come on, you know better than that, okay? Just make it fun. And in 5 seconds, guys, hi, I'm Cory. Go to joincory.com. All right, joincory.com. Thanks for your time. Guys, if you can just say those few words, you're on your way. Then you'll improvise a little bit, and I know in 2 to 4 weeks, 1 to 4 months, video starts getting, it's very therapeutic. I'm a real big fan. And you don't have to do it, but if you do, I'll sure be proud of you, that's for sure. Okay, guys, that's enough chit-chat. Hopefully you will visit. All right, come on by. Can you see my business card? I just popped on the screen there. That's it, joincory.com. That's how I've signed up 400 and something people and thousands in not only LiveGood, but other opportunities. So, yeah, I've gotten pretty good at this online thing. And it's all by keeping things fun, keep it simple, and inviting people just to watch little short videos. That's it, guys. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for your time, okay? All right, 7-Up. I haven't had one of these in like 40 years. I got this hat free at a car show. All right, man, we'll see you soon.